welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. So I'm up here on the high area where I come to make phone calls sometimes when I'm in my truck, when I don't have the trailer attached to the truck. Let me show you what I've got to do up here at some point in the near future. So about 4 years ago, I did this road work you see here. I built all this up. This used to be pretty hard to get through with the trailer. I kept tearing stuff up on the trailer, making it through there, so I had to take about a week to haul spoils. That little pit that's beside the 3040 models is where all this soil came from. So coming in this trip, I had an issue with the weight on the trailer. You know, when I bring the excavator, I take the excavator off out there by that gate. Down there by that gate over there. But with what I had was rebar and structural steel, I couldn't do that. I'm also having a little bit of erosion, not real bad. This area here, the water sheeting down, collecting here, and I needed to make a little bit of a dam right there so that it wouldn't keep flowing out. I'll make it, you know, where it'll come out slow, and some of that'll seep into the ground there. But if you can see that other hill over there, right there, I need to make this just one smooth pitch all the way down. Because right now it goes down and then back up to that hill. And right here, this is too steep and it's a little too loose to get traction when you have the trailer weighted down. You can see where my tires turned all this to powder right here, trying to make it up there. I made it up to here, and you see those two holes? That was my back tires dug in. And I had to back up all the way to there and make another run at it. And you can see the tires were breaking traction all the way up. It's probably going to take at least a week worth of time to fill all this in, maybe more. I'll have to bring some more rock over here to build the embankment up to keep it from sloughing off. So right there where my truck's at, I was thinking all these spoils right here that I brought, I backed all the way up about half a mile up the side of this little high point with that dump trailer, which is a real pain. So I'm thinking to be able to pull forward and get the spoils over here, which would be much easier. Right here, this is my little turnaround spot, but I think I'm gonna make a little roundabout right here. I think I'll work on that first. You know, make that roundabout come through here, swing out. I need about 100-foot circle to be able to make a nice easy turn without tearing tires up. That way I can pull forward, whip it back around, and then back up and dump all that material. That'll speed things up a lot. It's going to take some time to build this, you know, where it won't tear the tires up, because this is a lot of rock in here. You can see all this is, some of these are locked into the stone that's under the surface. You know, that rock may be the size of a dump truck there. Don't know until you start to pull at it with the machine. I think it's doable right here. I'll have to bring a little bit of material in right here to make this the same level. I was thinking about trying a little bit different permaculture concept here on this roundabout. Make it elevated and all of the road part of it pitched towards the center, and then see what it does to this center area over time as that water, you know, goes to that lower point. haven't seen that done before. Maybe interesting experiment. Well, that's all I had. Just a future project. I'll see you on the next one.